Don't take your mission too seriously. Yes, it can be serious, but you are putting too much pressure on yourself. What if you tap into that childlike curiosity, into that childlike playfulness, and just play around with it? This is a gift that you have. This gift is meant to be played with. When you take things too seriously, you are holding and grasping and clinging on to something too tightly. And when it's too tight, this pressure leaves you feeling stressed, feeling rigid. Needless to say, it's not the intention of your gift. Your gift was supposed to be here to light you up. Your gift is here to be shared, not in a perfect way. This perfectionism is created by a part of your mind, a part of you that wants to get validation from others, wants to make sure you're safe. No shame or judgment, just awareness. Discern, where is your inner guide talking? Where is your higher self talking, divine talking? And when is your ego talking or your inner critic talking? Any voice that's criticizing you in some way or pressuring you is not a divine voice. Discern, get back to your center, ask your heart, release what's not love, and then take inspired action. Start practicing. If you've been feeling called to share your thoughts, to share your authentic expression, don't pressure yourself, just practice. Just start writing things down, just start recording yourself for yourself. You don't have to publish it. You're just playing around with your gift, unwrapping it. Make this fun for yourself. Don't make this into another serious, tough project. You're learning a lesson that work and play can work together. In the past, that wasn't the case. Maybe you pushed yourself too hard, and now you're afraid. You're afraid that this is going to repeat. You're afraid that you're not good enough for this. You're afraid you're not gonna get it perfectly. That's not you that's afraid. That's only an old part of you. With loving awareness, give a gentle hug to that part of you and ensure that you're safe. You know you're safe. You're safe to play and be who you are. Express yourself just the way you are, just the way you're feeling cold. Make mistakes and learn. Play with it. Your soul chose this gift because it thought it would be fun. So don't rob away the fun. Don't rob yourself. Come back to that childlike lightness, curiosity, and joy. Much love. Blessings to you.